All right, this is my new, to me, 1995 Buick Roadmaster wagon. Just came today on the truck from South Carolina. I got this car through a broker, Fred, who sold quite a few of these wagons. The previous owner had owned it since 2013. It's from New York. Didn't drive it very much, 4,000 miles a year. Had it since 13. 88,000 miles. It's in really good shape. Some corrosion on the wheels. Most of the trim is pretty straight. Couple little defects, paint, etc. But overall, it's probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. Had a minor boo-boo right there in the front. Gonna work on that, just it's dented in a little bit. So I hopped on this one when I saw it. It's a LT1, so it's 260 horsepower, 330 pound-foot of torque. And this one has the towing package, which I wanted because we're going to use this as a tow rig. But it also had the limited slip, as well as the air shocks in back, which currently don't work. But that's about it for not working. So inside is really nice. I know this doesn't sound like much, but the door panels are perfect. As perfect as they can be. Everything in the interior is almost like new. With some wear and some dirt, nothing that can't be cleaned off. I did notice that one of the little knobs on the radio isn't there, so I'll get one of those. It's not a limited, so it doesn't have the memory seat or heated seat. That's fine. Back seat's also great. Very clean. It's a little bit of rust, like in some corners, but nothing like you would expect to see. Let me open up the hatch here. So the hatch is a two-way thing. You can open it up this way, or you can open it up this way and fold down the seats. It has a third seat in it as well. Flip this little lever over there. Get in here, and I will flip up the seat. Oh, not very well. Still not very well. Flipped up the seat before. I'll try it this way. Oh, there, I found some other trim pieces that were included with the car. Even in the corners, some dirt and grease, but scrub that out with the toothbrush. This side's really nice. Just some scuff on the wheels, some delamination on the wheels. does have the second row sunroof, which I really don't need in Florida, but it's the only way they come. All right, well, there she is on day one. Be doing some projects with her, getting her cleaned up. Got a trailer hitch, do some trailer wiring, then just some general maintenance stuff that I have to do to make sure that a 30-year-old car can tow all of my trailers and my my trailer and my Sea-Doo. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. It's a good night for me.